Name of the song
Okay.
is
Hey, hey. Can I introduce you? Well, y'all were doing another song. Hey, hey. You know what
I ain't telling him to do that.
But you knew that you was finished. How you doing? Y'all show them some love.
Greetings, everybody. How are you? My name is Scribby from New Rochelle, New York, 914. We do what we do. I'm a singer. This is my little brother right here live. I'd like to thank all y'all for coming out tonight. You know the recession is hard, so to see people coming out spending money and enjoying the time, it's a beautiful thing. Obama.
Oh, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. I need to let you. I need to let you know. Pushing me away. I don't wanna live this way. Crying all the time. Trying to leave it all behind. Make this work. I don't want my feelings hurt. Making it hard for me to stay. Every day you got something negative to say. You never make comments on the good things I do. Just make big issues about the little things I do. I chill with my family and hanging with my crew. You won't be satisfied till I'm telling you we're through. It's over, you're done. No more me and you. You like going to bed now. What's wrong with you? So you really got my heart only if she knew. I think everything that she asked me to do. I'm running out of options. No more solutions. Yeah, I make mistakes, baby girl. I'm only human. You get all the needles like this one. I know you choose it. No matter if I'm right or wrong, I'm always losing. I try to chill, but that's the full fact. I say what I think, put my feelings on the track. What you do is turn around and tell me that my song is whack. I try to treat you good, and you know that that's a fact. You're not the same girl I just want my money back. I think we need to talk, sit down and have a chat. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. Yeah, yeah. Let you go. Pushing me away. I don't wanna live this way. All the time. Try to leave it all behind. Make this work. I don't want my feelings hurt. Yeah, you rolled out like a rider. But you yelling in the crib, cussing like a duck driver. You got me getting drunk, drinking all the Budweiser. Even when I tell the truth, I'm still labeled as a liar. What's the use? I don't know, you got me so confused. I'm messed up in the head till the mentally abused. You wanna be the boss, so you try to regulate. Do nice things for me, then you throw it in my face. I fight straight out, you say, get out of my place. My name's on the lease, so let's get things straight. You say that you love me, then you better boogie face. Relationship's over once the love turn to hate. Ain't nothing changed, ain't doing when you met me. Same bad attitude, still a little messy. You my fool now, so why you wanna stress me? I let you lock down, handcuff in the rest of me. Prisoner of love, and I ain't even see the judge. You don't forget shit, so you always hold a grudge. It is what it is, always was what it was. I don't wanna fight, I need a kiss and a hug. I don't wanna go, okay? I don't wanna go. Okay. I need to let you know. Pushing me away. Yeah. I don't wanna live this way. All the time. Okay. Trying to leave it all behind. Make this work. I don't want my feelings hurt. I don't wanna go. I think I need to let you know. Pushing me away. I don't wanna live this way. All the time. Gotta leave it all behind. Make this work. Make it transfer. Make it you know, pushing me away. I don't wanna live this way all the time. Gotta leave it all behind. Make this work. I don't want my feelings hurt. Yeah.
I just want you to leave the stage so I can announce it. Y'all show Shotgun Live some love, please. He don't want to go. What did he say?